Revamp your photos with cleanup pictures. Remove objects, people, text, and defects with ease. Cleanup Pictures is a game-changing editing tool that allows users to remove unwanted objects, people, text, or defects from any picture for free. With incredible speed and quality, you can retouch images in seconds and create stunning visuals. Photographers can benefit greatly from cleanup.pictures. They can use it to remove timestamps or tourists from holiday pictures before printing them for their customers. It is also perfect for cleaning up portrait photos to create the perfect profile picture. Professional studios will find Cleanup Pictures to be a must-have tool for removing cracks on photographs and getting rid of any unwanted things. Creatives will love the technology that Cleanup Pictures offers. Its advanced editing tools based on artificial intelligence allow users to quickly create stunning visuals. Whether you want to remix an existing photo and replace parts with your own or simply stay in the creative flow without tools getting in your way, Cleanup Pictures has you covered. Real estate agents can use Cleanup Pictures to enhance their property photos. It allows them to easily remove unwanted objects from pictures and depersonalize and clean photos of any room, flat, house, or apartment. For e-commerce businesses, Cleanup Pictures is the perfect tool to make your online store shine. You can upload photographs of your products directly onto the platform and create stunning product images. Whether you need to create the ideal product shot or quickly update your social media with visually appealing images for your Instagram stories, Cleanup Pictures has all the features you need. Cleanup Pictures also offers the ability to remove unwanted text, logos, date stamps, or watermarks from images. It is incredibly accurate and efficient, allowing you to achieve professional results in just a few clicks. Cleanup Pictures offers different pricing options to suit your needs. There is a free version with limited resolution, as well as pro versions with unlimited images and resolutions. The pro versions also offer additional features such as high-quality refiner, background removal, and web editing. The pricing is affordable, with plans starting at $3 per month. The cleanup.pictures API is also available for developers who want to incorporate high-quality inpainting into their products. The API is usage-based, with comprehensive documentation and a demo available to help get started. In conclusion, cleanup.pictures is a must-have tool for anyone who wants to retouch and enhance their photos quickly and easily. Whether you're a photographer, a creative, a real estate agent, or an e-commerce business owner, Cleanup Pictures has all the features you need to create stunning visuals. With its advanced editing tools, accurate removal of unwanted objects and text, and affordable pricing options, cleanup.pictures is the ultimate photo editing solution. Try it for free and see the incredible results for yourself.